Hello, my name is Chris, and today I would like to introduce the Great Wall of China in this presentation. First, I will talk about some special details of the wall. The real length of the wall is 6,400 kilometers. This is equal to the radius of China. Construction of the Great Wall began in 221 BC. 30,000 soldiers and 180,000 civilians were used to make this. Criminals were also forced to labor for 4 years. Next, I'll explain why the wall was built. The purpose was to protect the invasion from the Chinese from the north, but they weren't able to achieve their goal. In 10th century, they were invaded by Khitan people, and in 13th century, they were invaded by Jurchen people, and most famous of all, they were invaded by Genghis Khan. Now, I will tell you some secrets of the Great Wall of China. Did you know that they use rice for glue to build the wall? Also, there is a high climbing course on the wall. Many people challenge each other to climb it, but they got hurt and died. Thank you for listening to my presentation.